Hey guys, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change text color on Adobe Express. So if you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. So first thing you need to do just I want to add my own text here. So you can see this is a already red color. I want to change it into black color. So first of all, you select this text, then go to this fill. Then wow, this is a black color. So if you want to change it green color, etc color available here you want to change. So if you want to change font size and font anything, you can do here. So extra light, then change your font size and bold and circle, etc you can do here. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.